Baby, I know you tired of shopping online because you tired of seeing the same old products at multiple different stores. But guess what? Guess what? As a stylist, as an active stylist turned boutique owner, go me. I I be out here in these streets. I be out here in these streets, out here in these closets, and helping online retailers sell and market the products better, as well as helping people wear themselves better. I be knowing and I be hearing. But as a new fashion online boutique owner, I curated a handful of one of a kind pieces that you can only find. Well, most of them you can only find at our fashion. So I'm gonna be getting into the newly added fashion for this drop. Stay tuned. All right, so if you're just now seeing this, you did not have the early access to the newly added fashion at our closet at me, but no worries. Definitely hit the link in the description if you want to be of our insider list so that you can have early access. Now, some of the products may be available and some of them may not be available due to someone buying them. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. But thanks for stopping by. Thanks for supporting our closet at MIIEN, and let's go on to the next session of newly added fashion.